Today we are going to perform an activity which is called as Meldy's experiment. This is the experiment, Meldy's experiment, page number 122. The Meldy's experiment consists of a vibrator here. This is a vibrator. This vibrates, which is passing over a pulley, a thread. This is more than 1 meter in length. Then it passes over a pulley and then onto a hanger. This hanger is 25 grams. We are going to add weight to this pan, which is 25 grams, and then we are going to make this. See, I am going to switch it on. When I switch it on, you can see it is vibrating. You can see the thread vibrating. It is vibrating in a haphazard manner. These are the stationary waves formed. The waves are passing from the vibrator. This is a vibrator which is vibrating. ये vibrate हो रहा है. ये जो vibrate हो रहा है. So the waves are passing through this thread. Can you all see the loops there? They are standing waves. Then these waves, they are obstructed by this pulley, or they are coming back, and standing waves are formed. ऐसे standing waves are formed, but they are not stable. So what we are going to do is we are going to add weight to the pulley. Now this is a weight box. This is 1 gram. This is 2 gram. This is 5. This is 5 grams. This is 10 gram and 10 gram. We are going to make use of these weights. Now first I will take weight of 5 gram and I am going to add this onto the pulley. See, as soon as I add weight, the loops are prominent. They are very clear. You all can see it. So we will count the number of loops. So I have added 5 gram. So I will note down here in the observation column weight added in the pan. So total weight added is 25 grams is the mass of the pan. जो ये pan है, ये pan का mass is 25 grams plus 5. So the total becomes 25 plus 5, that is 30 gram. And the tension is 30 into 980, whatever is the answer, is equal to, you are going to write there. Just a minute, I will write there, is equal to, you are going to write its value. Okay. So now, when I added 5 gram, the total mass in the pan becomes 25 plus 5, that is equal to 30. So I have added 5. When I added 5, the loops shown are clear. See, the standing loops are very clear. We will count the number of loops. So see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one is 9. So 9 loops are formed. So I will write here the number of loops to be equal to 9 loops. So when I added 5 gram to the pan of mass 25 gram, the total mass pan plus the mass added becomes 30. Total tension is 30 into 980 is equal to, write here in small figures and write here is equal to its answer. Multiply it and write the answer. The number of loops is 9. Now I add some more weight. I am adding, I take out this weight and I add 10 gram. This is 10 gram. I am adding 10 gram to this. When I am adding 10 gram, again the loops are not clear. They are in a haphazard manner. Can you all see the loops are in a haphazard manner? So I will go on adding. See, they are not clear. So I am going, you go on adding weight little by little till the loops are clear. So now I have added 10 to it. Now I will add 5. Let me add 5. See, when I added 5, the loops became clear. Can you all see? The loops are clear. Or they are still little bit haphazard. I think a little more weight is required. So I will add 1 gram. This 1 gram I will add to the pan. Let's see now if they are clear. Now see, even 1 gram made a lot of difference. See, the loops are so clear. Okay, so I have written here second reading 25. What is the weight added now total? Just see, 10. The big one is 10. The center, the other one is 5, and the very small one is 1. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 is 16 grams. So 16 gram weight is added. Now I have written here 16 gram. The 25 plus 16 is equal to 41 grams total. So we will count the number of loops now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the total number of loops is 7. So I have written here 7. The number of loops is 7. Now we will take the third reading by adding some more weight so that we get less number of loops, but the loops should be, but the this should be clear. So what I will add? I will add directly 10 gram. I have added 10 gram. Now let us see. So total became how much? 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 1, 26. Let us see. The loops are clear. See, the loops are again clear. They are clear. So now I will count the number of loops. It's very simple experiment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 number of loops are added, are to be seen. For what weight? The total weight added here is 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 2 gram, 27. So 27 gram added. So the mass added to the pan is 25 plus 27 is equal to 52. Then the tension is 52 into 980. That is, the number of loops is equal to 6. So TP square. Now, so these are the readings taken. Note down the readings. Now you have to calculate TP square. You have to find out the P square. Make one more column here, P square, if you want to make things easy. Here write one more column, P square. Draw here. So find out the P square and then multiply. ये this you have to multiply on your own. छोटा लिखो, बड़ा लिखा है मैंने. छोटा लिखो so that you will get space here to write its value. So this is in the tension will be in dynes. So you have to find out TP square for all and find out the mean TP square you have to find out, and the result is TP square is equal to constant. So you can do the calculation here if you want. So TP square is equal to what is the value that you have to write. That's all. It is such a simple experiment. Very simple experiment. I will show you all the arrangement once again. This is the vibrator. Then this is the thread. And this thread is passing over the pulley onto the pan. Pan is 25 gram. Is that clear? So this is how you have to do the calculation now and show. And these are the loops formed. You all can see the loops clearly. These are the stationary waves. the waves are passing from the vibrator, they go and they are obstructed at the pulley, यहाँ पर obstruction होता है and it turns back, पीछे जाता है, and stationary standing waves और stationary waves are formed. इसको बोलते हैं standing waves और stationary waves. ये एंटी नोड है, ये एंटी नोड है और ये नोड है, फिर से ये एंटी नोड है और ये नोड है, फिर से ये एंटी नोड है और ये नोड है.